All my life, I've waited, watching, working, fighting.
My name is Dr. Daniel. Damo is a good friend of mine from childhood, and unfortunately he suffered an road traffic accident 4 years ago, which caused intervertebral disc injury between L4 and L5, left meniscal injury, traumatic shoulder dislocation. He couldn't go to the gym. He used to pull off heavy weights. He had an excellent body at the time. After consultations, including some which suggested surgery, we went for conservative management. He didn't do any exertive exercises. He went for the physiotherapy, pain control. In the last 4 years, he was diagnosed with familial hypertension. 2 years ago, he was also diagnosed with pilonidal sinus.
To stay on the path. Each day, I'm tested. I hang on by a thread. Then came the voices, the discouragement, the doubt, the disdain. Opposition waits for me like a thief in the night. To fall, to fail, to give up. In my weakest moment, I found myself at a crossroads, staring at reflection in the mirror, forced to make a choice. My decision was made. I will remain defiant, driven from within, relentless. I will not rest. Hasbi Allah. I will continue forward. My intensity unmatched.
He recently showed me his video and it was amazing. It was just amazing. Like in just 12 weeks, he did something unbelievable with his comorbidities, with the injuries he had, like the intervertebral disc collapse, the meniscal injury, with the shoulder he had. He did something amazing.
I have waited, but now that wait is over. The moment has come. To rise up and show the world This is who I am. This is who I have been. My time is now. And this is how it begins.